ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Grock, all for $20 per month. I'm going to show you how you can get the 4 biggest and best AI models all in one price for $20 per month. Right here on this Bluehost page, you can click the link in the video description and find yourself here. And I mean, this is just a great offer. As you can see right here, you're getting your favorite AI models for just $20 per month. So that is ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Grock. You can use your preferred AI model. So as you can see in the information here, you can easily switch between your models. So you could start off with ChatGPT maybe for something, then you might want Claude for more of a coding task, for example. The use cases are many, of course, with these AI tools and chatbots, but the idea is that you can switch between your models. There's a privacy mode with a sanitation layer for sensitive prompts. You can do end-to-end encrypted searches, and it also includes free-to-use pre-built AI agents. So you don't need a Bluehost hosting plan. You can literally pay $20 per month, and you can get all of this, all 4 of these. For example, if you wanted to do ChatGPT at something like $20 or $25 a month all on its own, same with Claude, and all of the others. If you want to use Grock properly, you have to have an X plan, formerly known as Twitter, so you need to pay for all of these individually. You can get it all in just one price. It's a massive saving. As you can see, there's more information here, and you can scroll down and there's sort of frequently asked questions and testimonials and stuff right here. Highly advanced, highly encourage you to take up this offer. Check out this platform that Bluehost has put together and see if it is for you. I think it's an amazing deal. $20 per month for ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Grock. As it currently stands, this is an amazing deal. So if you've found this video informative, if you liked the video, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.